This video will show you how to get free items on Roblox. The first way to get Roblox items is by participating in Roblox events. These events are often to promote a brand, musical artist or upcoming film and offer free items for your avatar. To find the latest Roblox events, look in the left sidebar on the Roblox website. On each event game page, you will see badges which correspond to the different hats available. By playing the game and completing in-game quests or challenges, you will unlock the items. The next way to get free Roblox items is by browsing the avatar shop. Click on the avatar shop on the Roblox website. Then select View All Items. Click on Roblox under the Creators tab. Then select the Relevance button and choose Price Low to High. This will list Roblox created items which are free at the top. As you can see, there are many different items which you can get. To find a specific type of item, simply select the item type in the left menu. To find free faces on Roblox, click to expand on the body parts category and select Faces. Make sure you've selected Price Low to High instead of Relevance so that only free faces are shown first. As you can see, there are many different faces available to add to your Roblox inventory. Click a face to head to its page where you can then purchase it for free.